I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealous and cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller, controller.
Okay.
Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a way.
So guys, I'm very happy I came here. Everyone looks very cute. Like very cute. I just hope I'll be able to like record properly throughout. Okay, so nobody's here right now. I'm sure that's online. I don't know if this is safe.
Controller. But you can't just diss and come tell my story. You can't listen to me talk and go tell my story. It don't work like that when you know somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and I'm working on it. That's why I need all the energy that you bring to me.
Okay.
My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you,
we need another pen.
I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Do things
everybody,
when you want me to.
let us say hi to my
like controller, controller. Like controller.
I'm not taking the woman. Hi guys, Loretta brought me here to take her pictures. I thought it would be the reverse. So I went to pick my dressing stuff from the carpenter's place. I'm taking it home to get it installed. And I went looking like this. Everybody's staring. It's crazy. My skin though, yeah.
Take it easy, dog.
That's my stuff. So
It's good. Don't worry, I got you.
and the video everything already happened.
I'm from which state you come?
Edo State.
Which side of it?
Daddy, I put step it. My name is a mess. Ignore. It's about to look beautiful.
start. And I'll be loving your reaction every time I hit that spot. But it's soft like leather, but the top is hard. Whisper your pleasures, I'll do my job. Great, intense, let me do what I do. I know it's echoing louder, the music of you. I ain't close to being done yet. It's getting real warm, like the coming of thunder. Right after the storm, girl, gonna push it to the limit. She's second place, so in the race, I'm gonna be a number one. Here comes the sun. This might not be the bedroom, but I'm loving your journey. You feel me, girl?
Don't play. I said don't play. Let's get one. So this makes sense.
NT, you made this?
don't know how I look right now. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I came to an Indian restaurant and I'm about to try this soup thingy. I don't know if it's nice. Everybody say hi to Loretta. She's bringing me outside. So let me try. Okay, it's nice. Okay. So it's nice. I don't know, but it's nice. And everywhere is so cute, and I haven't taken any cute pictures because I'm shy and because I'm hungry. Let me eat first, then maybe I'll take pictures. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you how I will fix my install. You put gum like this and raise the part that's going up and just fill it in. To be quicker, you can easily just use I'm not even seeing. That's why I like playing music over, because I literally just be rambling. But yeah, you can quickly use melting spray if you don't have time. But if you use melting spray, we prepare that the wig will come out the next day. So for it to just keep it for just the hours you need it for. If you just sweat small, it come out. But if you do this, it lasts again. Like you have to fix the hair. So now we wait for the gum to clear, then we fix it. So tell me, how you guys been doing? How have everything been? Trust me, I'm recording, but I just haven't been editing. But I'm recording everything that's happening in my life, but I just haven't been editing, which means most of the things you are going to know about me will be like happening. That means before I post, it has happened. It has happened. So that's just how it's going to be. But I'll try to be posting more in real time. I got some skincare products. This, I don't know if it's working yet, but I don't know. Do you see this spot and this spot? Trying to clear them out. Then also here, sunburn. Sunburn. But anyhow, I'll clear them out. At least I know I don't have pimple again, so that's a plus. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you. Okay, yes, and for the tutorial, like just tie it with a hairband, and that's it. By the time you lose it, your hair is fixed. Like the lace can go on again. And okay, yeah, this just use for this part, for the edge control, I use this, so it keeps it there like in place, like for 42, okay, see, 72 hours. That's not what it said though. It says 72 active screaming ingredients. Oh, I don't know, it keeps it neat, so use that. That's it. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.